Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question. 12 divided by 4 parenthesis 5 minus 3. Like if you think that 12 divided by 4, 5 minus 3, that is 2. 12 divided by 8, 12 divided by 8, 4 times 2, that is 3 by 2, then your answer will be wrong. For those who have already solved this, go in the comment section and comment the right answer. I will give them a heart. And for those who fail to solve, I will solve stepwise. Our question is 12 divided by 4, 5 minus 3. First we will do right PEMDAS. As we know, first we will do parenthesis. So we will do parenthesis part 5 minus 3, which equals to 2. So our question will become 12 divided by 4 into 2. As we know, division and multiplication is the same priority, and we will solve from left to right. So 12 divided by 4 into 2, this will give 3 into 2. So right answer will be 6. 3 times 2, which equals to 6. If you want more maths videos like this, subscribe our channel and go to check out best math books in the description. Thanks for watching.